Well, hi folks, this is Darren and Tricia with MyRV Works. And if you've been with us for a while, or if you're just joining us, we want to let you know that we do have a very thriving and alive Patreon community that we've created. Okay, it's been a couple years in the making, and we've got videos over on our Patreon site that you're not going to find here. So some of the series that we've come out with during 2023 was a whole series on how to start, build, and maintain your very own mobile RV service business, and that was for 2023. And in 2024, this is 2024, we're coming out with a new series on how to grow your own mobile RV service business. So now that you've had it up and running for a while, and so that is a product that we've created that we have over on our Patreon site, and we want to let you know, in case you didn't, there's a few people that didn't know that.
Yeah.
And so Tricia, why don't you tell us a little bit about what we have over on our Patreon site for those folks that might be interested in some business series things?
Yeah, well, we do have a lot of great benefits over on Patreon. One of them, as Darren is talking about, at the $15 and $25 tier levels, is that you have access to exclusive videos. And so, like he mentioned, our Growing a Mobile RV Repair Business series, that is starting up. We have published some videos on there, but we are actually now sitting down and formally writing out a series for that. We have about 50 episodes in all that we'll be recording. And so let's just read off some of the topics. And
you're not going to get those over on YouTube or Rumble. They're only going to be available on the Patreon site.
That's right. Yep. Yeah. So we're going to talk about evaluating and improving your business. We're going to talk about moving your business, changing your service area. So you might be moving from state to state, or you might just change your service area from one location to another, or expand, or reduce your service area. We're going to talk about hiring employees, changing your service offerings, reevaluating your service rate. So we all know inflation is happening and things are more expensive.
Prices,
so we're going to talk about how you evaluate that, how you increase your rate, how you do that without losing customers, making upgrades. So that would be on our How to Start series. We told people just start with what you have. And so now we're going to be talking about, okay, you've got your business going, you've got some income, how can you reinvest that into your business? We're going to go deep dive into service offerings, becoming a good RV tech, maximizing your warranty, maximizing parts orders. So all of those processes that go along with making your business run smooth. And so those are the main subject headers that we have. And within those, we'll have several episodes under each topic, all totaled about 50 episodes.
Cool. Yeah, and we've done, over the last couple of years, we've done thousands and thousands of service calls. And so I feel that between the two of us, we have a lot to offer on how to be successful, how to get those spidey senses, and how to have a thriving business. And so we're offering that over on our Patreon site. We'd like to have you join us over there. And we even have a free tier where people can kind of poke around, but they don't have access to it, right?
Yeah, so if you want to be the first to hear about what we're releasing, just join us on Patreon at any level.
Yeah.
And I'll give you...
look over the hedges.
Yeah, a little teaser. So we're doing this Growing Mobile RV Repair Business series, similar to what we did last year with our How to Start series. But we have an announcement coming up about a course release. And and that's going to be, if you're over on the Patreon, you're going to hear about that before anybody else does. So
rush the gate.
Yeah, so we invite you to join us over there. There's lots of great benefits, including discounts, depending on your tier level. There's a shirt, and so different merch items, and discounts, and access to the community over there in different ways depending on your tier level.
Perfect. Well, we're excited to see you over there, and this could be a great business model for you to grow in. And so over on the Patreon side, we're giving you all the tips and tricks that we've developed over the years, and I want you to be successful too.
Yep, so just click on the link and join us over there.
Great. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.